starts off the proceedings, Arvind, as we were speaking. If Narwal Golden Club needs to make a mark, their defense department make some noise, but no, Pratik Gandhi there, left corner, Vishal Hooda making sure he commits that error early, and also Bharat Roy goes out from the right cover. Wasn't required at all for them. Look at that left corner. Vishal Hooda going in for that ankle hold, and also Bharat Roy coming in with a late support. Pratik Dhaya making a 2-point raid on the beginning itself. So this is what I was trying to tell Arvind. If NGC should make a mark, their defense should come together, and their raiders as well. Rakesh being pinned down.
Had a very good couple of games. He kept them in the hunt in the early games, and as Himanshu kind of got injured, was not able to get into the games, their defense also completely fell apart. Even there in that first raid, the way Vishal Hooda put in that tackle, right? Pratik Dhaya wasn't deep enough. There was absolutely no reason for him to start that ankle hold so early in the game. Advanced tackles, I would think a left corner should be putting such an advanced tackle only if he's got a cover who's right there, right?
But look at this tackle, Arvind, by Tarun. Oh my God! He single-handedly put Sansar down. Can you believe that? Look at that. Right cover, single-handedly, solo tackle. Down you go, Sansar.
Wow.
Bye, my friend. On the bench for a while. Definitely there. Once again, super tackle situation. Pratik Dhaya makes it count again. Gets his counterpart. Deepak this time has to go out, the captain of Narwal Golden Club. In fact, is it Deepak? No, there is a confusion. That is Vijay, which is, in fact, that is Bharat Roy this time. Oh, unbelievable. A defender by himself, Arvind.
A corner getting touched so ahead of the back line unless he just is not able to move.
So true. There we go on the end line, almost gone. All out, I guess. Yes, it is the first all out for DNH Foundation on Narwal Golden Club. Very well said, Arvind there. Yes, defense like this, the key from the front. Deepak on that left cover, putting Vijay down and blocking him completely. That was the first tackle point for NGC, and this time gets a raid point as well. Sends out the danger, Tarun out, because Tarun can be very lethal in his defense. Sansar making sure he gets some here and there, but the defense needs to protect that point. Look at that.
Which is, the prize money stage of this event. So this tournament, like you said, there's a lot of thanks to Kabaddi Adda, but you have to also thank the Future Fighters Kabaddi Academy, which is an academy run by Anup. While I say that Pratik continues to get points.
Correct. And again, another error there again by that left corner defender. He's making Vishal Hooda his bunny in this game, Pratik Dhaya. Look at that. Unwanted attempt. No power, no intent whatsoever in that ankle hold. Pratik Dhaya makes it so easy. And Sansar, just in that previous raid, Arvind, he was in for a do-or-die raid. And Pratik Hooda gave away points on that previous raid. So that way a lot of pressure.
Correct.
There you go. Really what a jump. Wow. The right corner did any answers for Sansar's raiding. This is the only man with a bright star in that NGC lineup is Sansar. Look at that, completely foxing that defender.
I remember hearing
someone
your
like Akshay
on that match, right? Yeah. No, Akshay and Pratik had a really tight contest, and this for me is, I think, the player to watch out for within the DNH Foundation, right? Sahil quietly stays there. When Pratik is off mat, he's always available. He steps up in the really tough times and makes sure he's able to revive. You see these athletes put together all the work needed to come out as much higher quality athletes.
Very well said. Super tackle opportunity. Will he be tackled down? Yes, he will be. Finally, some breathing space and some shouting time for me for NGC. Sansar, the man who was getting their raid points, has that tackle point towards his name. Goes in for that double ankle hold, gets a support from his captain Deepak. Look at Sansar, my God, an all-round effort. Because when your defense is not working, you are working for yourself. Do or die raid now. Rakesh comes in. I'm sure this settled Deepak Nivas Hooda defense will not make any errors. I just doubt Tarun. on that right cover. He looks very anxious. Apart from him, I don't see anything coming in. Not even Goldie this time. Has he got him, Goldie? There we go.
You'll know that the Super 6 matches start tomorrow. A lot of very exciting matches. You need to have alternates. I think one of the things
Right.
the DNH Foundation would have known is that Himanshu for NGC did not play the previous game also. Should be talking to Vishal Hooda and talking to the coach and saying, "Sir, whatever you do, Vishal Hooda should be on the mat." He's having a really he's having a real nightmare of a match, right? And I think this is just poor coaching to not make the decision to substitute him. You got Ankit on the bench. You might not want to put in Himanshu in the corner position. We definitely have Ankit whom you can put on. You can play Deepak from the left corner. See,
With that long stretched hand and getting that hand touch on, sends Deepak out. Do or die situation now. Rakesh comes in. Now, if the DNH Foundation will their eyes, it'll be a difficult part to do. He's got 2 points. What a raid this could be for Rakesh. Narwal Golden Club trying to come back into this match. He's definitely got Vijay.
It's 2 fantastic points, yeah.
Yes, look at that.
He got Vijay and then
Vijay goes out. The defense was caught napping. But right now, it is the focus shifting to Sansar on a super tackle situation this time. Look at that ankle hold by Pratik Daya. It's not just Sansar doing the all-round duties. Pratik Daya shows, "I mate, even I am equipped to do that." Super tackle.
When the players registered, Pratik registered himself as an all-rounder. And there was a lot of questions people are asking, "Yaar, Pratik kahan se all-rounder ban gaya?" And now you see why he registered. There was such a well-timed, fantastically executed ankle hold, no? Where down to 3 defenders, put in the tackle, made sure he was, he was spotless in that tackle. Didn't give Sansar the opportunity. And that's Vishal. He just got his first point of the match against Pratik Daya. Did you see that?
Finally getting something. I've got that all out. Now 2 men revived back for Deepak Niwas Hooda Foundation, and Rakesh has all the talking to do now, because this was not what Rakesh was planning earlier. He got point rate. It was reduced to just 2 men on the court for Deepak Niwas Hooda Foundation. But as I was saying, always look at now the coming in from Vicky. Vicky, we were, in fact, I'm so sorry about that. That was Tarun. Pardon me for that. On that right corner, it was Tarun coming in with that fantastic ankle hold. And here for Deepak, who was so very well, and Vijay taking away that point. I'm not sure if Deepak will be the same in that next raid. It's just a 1 raid, 1 tackle that we will be talking about. Once again, Aman Anil stopped in his ranks. A combination tackle. Deepak Niwas Hooda Foundation's strong defense attack by Naveen. And on that right corner, once Naveen coming in with the block, and also Pratik Hooda him off the court, thrown him towards the lobby instead of throwing him towards the midline. Actually, see, they do have the talent. It's just that execution that is needed. Sansar, look at that. Bonus plus 1. And he's been that standalone hero for NGC.
Sansar has been a shining light for NGC. I think a player of Sansar's caliber has physios working directly with the players, working with the teams in their warm-up, cool-down, helping them think about their own long-term fitness goals, setting out routines for them. It's one of the first times that these young athletes playing this K7 tournament have even got such extended exposure to, to professional, high-quality physios. And the AOSM has really invested a lot of time going into this tournament, and as we speak, we see DNH Foundation lock their 3rd position. Yes. The final whistle going up there. 14-point win for Deepak Hooda Foundation. I'm sure the best all-rounder, one of the rounder on the mat, Deepak Niwas Hooda, will definitely be very happy with this, because our heart goes out for Golden Club as well, because they came a lot of expectations as